Welcome to this lesson. Let us explore Magic Media, which is another AI Canva component, and let us learn what it can do for you and for your creative assets. In this lesson, we are going to use the text to image functionality to transform text-based ideas into images. To start this process, you will need to go to click on Apps and then click on Magic Media. This will open up an extra menu allowing you to create images and videos from text prompts. First, you start with a text description. For example, describe what kind of image you want and describe what you want to see. Perhaps a futuristic car or bike with the ability to fly. Next, pick the style that suits you. There are plenty of styles that Canva offers, like photography, digital, and fine art. You will even see little preview images to get an idea of the potential final look. I will go for 3D model. Then you have to decide on the aspect ratio. It can be square, landscape, or portrait. Let us go with landscape. Lastly, the final step is to click on the generate image. After clicking on the generate image button, it will take some time to generate image for you. This usually takes a bit of time to render, but once done, you will see several cool interpretations. Also, you can always add to the prompt, or modify, or even regenerate the images to get a new set of options. I highly encourage you to experiment with your own prompts, alright? To make your learning experience more impactful and significant, navigate to the exercise file provided in the resource section of this course. Once you click on the link in the PDF, you will be redirected to a Canva template, which you can replicate or duplicate inside your own Canva account. As you browse through this PDF, you will notice that we have all of the assets and components for each lesson, and it will be inside this PDF. So let us get our hands dirty with this first exercise. As you are watching these lectures, I urge you to open that exercise file and do all of this along with me. So it will be more fun and you will be able to grasp more knowledge about Canva Magic Studio. Alright, I will see you in the next one.